Okay, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription. Okay, we need to go to settings, then plan. Under the plan section, you need to cancel the plan in order to cancel the subscription. If you are in trial, it will show like this. And if you have a plan and you are on offer, like $1 offer, $1 per month, then it will show like this. And if you are paying, then it will show how much you are paying for plan. So after taking that, you need to continue and give any reason you want. It doesn't matter. So after that, also you need to keep in mind that if you want your data back, you need to come until 90 days. So in 90 days period, if you come, you will get all your orders, customer and product data back. But if you go beyond that, you will not be able to get your Shopify data anymore. So keep that in mind before canceling this plan, and then you can tick this and cancel plan. So the Shopify canceled your plan and you will not be charged anymore. Okay, that's it for the video.